Hi, I'm Haley Hartzog, and I will be presenting on the Virginia English SOL 11.3C, which focuses on themes found in American literature, and I will be focusing on the theme nature that is found in American Romanticism. American Romanticism is a literary movement that began roughly in 1820 and ended around 1865. This movement began as a response to industrialism in America. Common themes found in this movement are self-reliance, death, America, the grotesque, religion, the body, and nature. There are several authors in this movement who primarily focus on nature, and a few of those authors are Ralph Waldo Emerson, Henry David Thoreau, Emily Dickinson, and Walt Whitman. All four of those writers looked at nature a little bit differently, but nature was often connected to religion in American Romanticism. Emerson viewed nature as a bridge between man and God. He thought that humans could learn about God through nature, and that humans were actually divine, such as God was divine. And also to Emerson, nature almost takes on the role of Jesus, as it does act as that bridge between man and God. To Emerson, nature is divine. According to Thoreau, one can go in nature to learn about God. Nature is also there to help, and we can live in nature, and it can help us to be self-reliant. Thoreau's view of nature is not as romanticized as Emerson's. Thoreau looks at nature in a more practical way. Emily Dickinson viewed nature as a place that is suitable for learning about God. To Dickinson, nature is a suitable church. Walt Whitman believed that humans are a part of nature, which directly makes humans particles of God. To Whitman, nature is not any better than humans, and humans are not any better than nature. Whitman has the least romanticized view of nature out of the four writers. So in American Romanticism, and specifically in the works of the four authors Emerson, Thoreau, Dickinson, and Whitman, nature is part of God, nature is equal to God, and nature is a place that humans can go to learn about God. And these are my references used for this presentation. Thank you for watching.